Hi guys, welcome to my next video. Let's continue learning few more things in Unix. Today, it's a short video. Today I will discuss with you very important file called bash underscore profile file, which is usually placed in your home directory. So what this file does is, whenever you start a shell in Unix environment, this is the first file which gets executed, and it's I can say it's a simple shell script, or there are different shell commands which this profile contains. Let's open that one. So why this is required? Because suppose if you want to uh, run some commands whenever you start a shell, so this is where you can put those things, those commands, or some other aliases, or some other useful things which you often require to run whenever you start a new shell. So this is where you want to keep it. So to demonstrate this, what I will do is I will come out of the loop. So yeah, so now if you I'll show you let me quickly show you. Let me open that file. I'll show you what all things we can do with that bash profile. First thing is, here as you can see, there is already one alias is there. What I will do is to demonstrate this to you. This is usually which I prefer to do because whenever you open VI terminal, suppose if I do the same thing, bash profile, it won't display me the colors. So suppose if you use this alias vi.vim, I can use vi that is equivalent to vim. So but see, I have added that alias into bash profile, but even though it's not showing me colors, because the shell is already, this shell, current shell is already been opened. That's why this file is already run already. So to make it run, what I need to do is I need to open another terminal. I will do the duplicate tab. So now I open another shell. So this time bash profile is run now. So now if I use simple vi, note here I'm not using vim. So here it should display me in the colors even though I'm using vi. See, that's the advantage of using aliases. There are a lot of other things which you can do just for fun. What we'll do is ps1, that is your terminal first console basically. So ps1, I can do it as my computer, or better I will do is my console. Put it a $. You can put your name as well, so whatever you can do here. And ps2 is a secondary console where I can do just as a continue, because this is where you want to continue the command which you have half entered. So I'll just save it. So now again, note here I need to open another shell, duplicate shell. So let me quickly open the duplicate shell. Look at here currently the ps1 is default. It's been set it as root followed by the host name. So suppose if I just duplicate the tab, see now it will get changed. Note here it's been changed, which what we mentioned. It's mentioned as my console. just to demonstrate another one, which is secondary term console. Just I'm random command I'm using just to continue on the next line. So I'll put it as a backslash. Then if I enter, it should show me the continue. So if you don't have PS2 defined in the bash profile, it will just use it as just display this greater than symbol. Okay, let me go to the bash profile again. So let me go to this one. Yeah. Okay. So there are a lot of other useful things which you can do. You can put a lot of aliases, which you the frequent commands, long list of commands which you are frequently using, like ls minus l and all other things. You can whatever the aliases you can set it. Like for example, ll, you can put it as ls minus l. So what I'll quickly show you that one as well. Just mention the instead of ls minus l, I can put it as ll. So it will. Sorry, it's not. I think I messed up something. Let me quickly save that one and go to duplicate another tab. So see here, just I missed the quotes there. So now it shows the ls minus l. So like this, you can add any number of aliases which you frequently use. And also one more interesting thing is whenever you start, you can put it banner command, banner followed by what I can say is like piece, just any word. You can put your name as well. So what it will do is whenever you start a new shell, see banner is a command, so it will display a huge headline. Suppose if you don't have this banner command in your Unix, whatever the Unix you are using, maybe I will provide you the RPM package which you can easily install. I will give the details in the bottom of this video. So there are a lot of other useful things which you can do. Maybe you can Google some of the interesting stuff and how you can make it more personalized PS1, where you can put a lot of colors and also date and time and all other things you can do. And also you can put a lot of aliases which you are frequently using. Also if you are using grep frequently, you can make that one as well, put the color and other things. So this is very useful script. And also one more thing which is very useful is, suppose if you want to export some of the variable, you can put it here, Python path, which most of the time I work on Python, but suppose if you want to put some of the Python libraries here, every time if you want to put them, it's very annoying and it's very time consuming. So here you can put all your libraries, like wherever you use lib, etc., wherever you have like this thing, then followed by Python path. So like this, so basically you should do like this. So like this you can do a lot of exports, aliases and other things in the bash profile. Remember, this file always executes first when you open a new shell. So hope this video will help you to understand the bash profile. I'm not sure whether any interviewer will ask these some of the things which you can do, but the frequent question they'll ask is what is the first file which run when you open a new shell or something like that. So in that the answer would be the bash profile. Also, there are other files like bash rc. In some of the Unix terminals, instead of bash profile, you have bash rc, which is for each shell. It has a different bash rc file. So this is also runs when you open a new shell. But usually all the personalization of your commands and other aliases, usually they go under in this bash underscore profile. Okay. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in next video. Please subscribe and share to your friends as well. Thank you.